In this module, we'll focus on the essential steps of data pre-processing, a critical phase of any data science project. Today, Jasmine, Ryan, Lina, and Carlos will discuss how to address common issues like missing values and outliers, as well as how to enhance data sets with feature engineering. Let's listen in as they analyze a historical housing data set to prepare it for predictive modeling. Lina, a Python programmer, will start the discussion by introducing the dataset. With her technical expertise, she will lead the exploration and cleaning of the data.
All right, everyone. I've pulled the historical housing data. I'm ready to start exploring it and better understand what we're working with.
Ryan, the business analyst, will share his perspective on identifying patterns in the data. His role is to translate data insights into actionable business strategies.
Great. I'm curious to see if there are any obvious patterns or trends in the data that might be useful for predicting prices.
Jasmine, the data scientist, steps in to highlight critical issues like missing values and outliers, ensuring the dataset is prepared for accurate predictive modeling.
It looks like we have some missing values for certain features like number of bathrooms and year built. Also, I noticed a few houses with extremely high prices compared to the rest.
Missing values and outliers, what does that mean for our analysis?
Missing values mean we're missing information for some houses, which can affect our model's accuracy. Outliers are extreme values that might be errors or just unusual cases, but they can also skew our results.
Carlos, the project manager, ensures that the team stays aligned with the project goals while navigating technical challenges.
So how do we deal with those?
We'll need to clean the data by handling those missing values and outliers appropriately. We can use different techniques like filling in missing values with estimates or removing outliers if they're truly errors.
And once we've cleaned the data, we can start thinking about feature engineering. Carlos, you mentioned creating new features like total area and foundation types. How do we go about doing that?
I'm not sure about the technical details, but I imagine we could use what is available in the data. Jasmine or Lina, could you help us with that?
Absolutely. We can definitely handle that using Python libraries.
In this scenario, the team is discussing common data pre-processing challenges, missing values, outliers, and feature engineering. These are crucial steps in preparing data for analysis, and it's important to understand how each decision affects the overall model. Now consider the following questions to test your understanding of these concepts. Missing data handling. Jasmine points out missing values for certain features like number of bathrooms. Why is it important to handle missing data, and what are some techniques you can use to address this issue in a dataset? Outlier, identification, and treatment. Outliers can skew data analysis, as Jasmine mentioned. What are outliers, and how would you determine whether an outlier should be removed or retained in a dataset? Feature engineering. Lina introduces the idea of feature engineering, such as creating new features like total area and foundation types. Explain what feature engineering is and how it can improve predictive models. Team collaboration in data science. The team members have different roles in this project. How do their individual expertise, data science, programming, business analysis, and project management contribute to the success of this data pre-processing stage?